Right now, I'm going to show you how to work a Kirby.
Okay.
So, back in the old times, whenever they hadn't invented canisters, they had to use back vacuums. So, let me just show you what's at the back that people use. So, back here, as you see, there's like a little button that says push. You take this down and you unzip it, and there's like a pipe in here that you connect to another bag that you buy from vacuum stores. So what I'm going to show you now is this product, the vacuum, the company that owns it, they had a very good idea to like put a little thing there that pulls the cord. Then here's the on and off switch, and then I don't know what these switches do, but let's see. So, normally your vacuum has a pedal that you may push to get it down, or maybe you just step on the motor and then it comes down, but this one, they didn't have to invent pedals.
Oh.
They just brought it down. Okay. So Kirby has brought down, like, you know how your vacuum usually has like wheels under here and just on the back. Kirby brought this at the front and this at the back and right here. Whenever they didn't have dials in the old times to get it up from hardwood floors, which you had trouble with, you had to just do this to go up and this to go down, which you can kind of see right now. And then this cord is just like a regular vacuum because they didn't know what else to do with the Kirby company. So right now, you're gonna love this part. Well, not that much, but they didn't know how to put a hose into a bag. So what Kirby did was put a lock right here, and then you unlock it, and then it comes up. Here's a little bit of a dial for the motor, but I think under this hatch, I think you're supposed to take this off, and then there's like where you can attach a hose to, I think, or maybe you just take this part off. Yeah, I think that's what you do. Let me show you real quick. Okay, so right now hold on, I'll be back in a minute after I turn on here. Here it is. Okay, this is gonna help me here. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna get out. Thanks. The vacuum won't work. Okay, but anyways, I think this is supposed to come off. But I'm gonna just show you the bottom real quick. I'm gonna see if there's brush.
Be careful with it.
Here. I'll just kind of do this and then tighten that up. You see, they didn't really use like plastic or anything. They used like cardboard and put numbers on them. For the year that they were made, and they put Kirby. I think that's the company. So you kind of see how they didn't put the motor somewhere at the top. They put it at the bottom, as you can see right here.
Do other vacuums put their motor at the top then? Or I mean at the bottom, or?
Yeah, let me show you. I've got another one I wanted to show you. Okay, so this is another
Okay.
It's my Fox vacuum. Now they didn't have enough room to put my motor at the bottom. See, some vacuum, this little like cylinder here is what has the motor in it. So the motor is like on kind of the side here. Then there's a tube right by it inside of the cylinder that goes up into the wand and brings it into the canister. And as you see, this one has to have a hose connected to get to the canister. So this one, they had a canister on. So this one is plastic. Doesn't have the company on it, no year, and it doesn't say the brand of it. So that vacuum, this Kirby right here, loses suction. If you wanted to see that this was actually the best vacuum invented by my friend Mark that I watch on YouTube videos, he was the one that invented Shark. So,
Okay.
I'm going to show you his invention. He has a concealed system container which locks up all the dust and allergens, which you don't see any filters on that thing. So filter number 1. You have to take off this concealed system container to get to it. Not very good because I have butterfingers after I just showered.
Butterfingers. Hey Jack, how long has it been since you emptied your canister on that?
About a month.
Alright, it's about time for bed, buddy. Better wrap it up.
Wait, I just have one more thing to compare.
Okay.
Okay, so right now, after I get my concealed system container back on, which I'll have to do that later, I just need to show you something.
Okay.
So, right now, what I have to do
What are you doing?
You see how Shark doesn't have this heavy of a thing to handle?
Yeah.
It's amazing. So, okay, so what I'm gonna show you is right now. Know how I showed you this that opens up? Shark doesn't have that. It has its own wand and everything. See if I can get it this time.
I don't think you're supposed to do that.
There I am.
I don't know.
I've done it before.
Oh, okay.
At Audrey's house, remember?
Oh no, I don't remember.
I'm gonna need your help real quick.
Are you done with your video?
I can hold the camera. If I need help.
No, you need to wrap it up. It's time for bed.
Wait. I want to show you one more thing. Okay, so can you try to reach down here and try to twist that over here?
Oh, okay, I see. There.
Okay, so I think this is supposed to. I think it has to be turned a little bit. Press. Okay, so there it's coming. It's coming.
Oh, I see. You take that off.
Just a minute, I'll show you.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I didn't know that led to that.
Huh.
I guess I know how to get to the motor now. That looks like it does control the motor. thought that led to the hose. Okay, let me try the hose.
All right, Jackson, say bye.
Wait, I've got to... Wait.
I don't think it goes on there.
Then how else would they use it?
Well, I don't know.
Ow.
Maybe. I don't know, buddy. We'll have to mess with it later, though. All right.
Wait.
Say bye.
No.
My phone's about to die.
I know, which is why I'm doing this video.
All right, I'm turning it off.
Wait, no.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Say bye.
Bye.